Hi guys, this is Sam Baker and welcome to my channel. And today is January 30th, 2020 and it's already 20 past 3 in the afternoon. And I'm going to show you a quick haul of what I bought here. I've got some goodies from the Oriental shop. So I'm going to show you some snacks, some food from China, Philippines, Thailand, Taiwan and Japan. So yeah, so there you go. I'll show you one by one. I'm going to put you here so you can see me more clearly. There you go. You see me there? There you go. You all right there? Right. So we bought this one, which is a fish sauce. This one actually is from Thailand. This one. And this one is only costing me £1.50. This one. You call this patis in the Philippines, don't you? But here, this is a fish sauce, we call it here. And this is different. There's are different brands, but I never tried them all. And this is my first time really to try a fish sauce. And this is good for stir fry. They're really good. Those ones. And as well, I bought this soy sauce. This one. This is a product of China. And this one, I get this in a promo. This one is £1. There you go. They're nice. They're good for marinating. I bought this one as well. Kimchi. This is a product of Korea. And I know many Filipino watch the Korean novella and you see them. They're eating them. Every time you see the novella, don't you? This one. So, yeah. I get this one just to try. And this one cost me, I think, £2.30. This one. It has all the instructions at the back. You see? But they're all written in Korean. So I need to get a translation to see how to eat them. I know how to eat them. I mean like hot or cold. I don't know. But there's a picture of like hot in there and then a cold in there. So yeah, but I need to research on that one. But if you try them, can you please write in the comment down below how you eat them? You eat them hot or cold? I don't know. So if you try them, please let me know. So at least I know how to eat them. But yeah, so I still need to research this one. How do I eat them? But the woman said in the shop you can eat them like hot or cold. So yeah. So I'll let you know once I open them and I'll make a separate video. And another one I bought as well. This tea, this is a China tea. This is from China. This is called oolong. For 20 tea bags, it only cost 80 pence. So this is really cheap. And oolong are very good for your immune system. And they're good for other health benefits. That's what the woman says. And I researched in Google. They're really good. So yeah, and here in Britain, we drink a lot of tea. You drink them in your preferences. Some people drink them with milk and sugar, or some people just drink them like myself, just black tea, just hot water. And there you go. And this one as well is the green tea. This one. This is as well 20 tea bags for 80 pence. So they're really cheap. And I only drink this one with hot water. And some people, they drink them with milk or with sugar, but me, I prefer them just on its own with hot water. So yeah, they're good. For 20 pieces for 80 pence, they're really cheap. So I recommend that one. And this one as well is called Pure Tea. Pure Tea. This is as well from China, and they're 20 tea bags as well, 80 pence. So they're really good. And Pure Tea apparently are good for your metabolism, and they're good for losing weight, like me. So I drink them. I drink them a lot. And I drink them just with hot water. I like black tea. And as well, I bought this one, which is a ramen. And this ramen is from Japan. I tried many different stuff, different flavor of this one. But this is one of my favorites. I got this one. And this is actually artificial stew pork flavor. That one there. See that? Really good. And you've got instructions as well at the back. See, it's all in there, written on there. And yeah, So they're good. And this one, it only cost me 50 pence. They're nice. This one as well. I bought this one. Hang on, I'm not sure where is this from actually. This noodle, Mama. It looks to me like from Taiwan, actually. No, this is Thailand as well. Look, Mama. Mama, they're not Papa, they're Mama. They're from Thailand. This one. And this one is chicken flavor. I recommend this one as well. I tried them many times, all different flavors, but this is one of my favorite, and they're only 35 pence, so they're really good. Another mama from Thailand, and this one is pork flavor. There you go. And I know many Filipino likes noodles, so this is really good. They're only 35 pence, so they're really cheap. Yeah, and they're good. Like if you want a quick meal, something like that, just a snack, you can have this one. I highly recommend this one and that one. They're only 35 pence each. And another one, I have this one as well, a pandan flavor. Would you imagine that one? That is actually from Thailand. I thought it was from the Philippines, but I was looking, I was like, no, the writing is different. I was like, well, I'll look at the back and they're from Thailand. They're nice. It's a Thai custard mixed pandan flavor. So I don't know, I'm going to try them actually. You know, it says in here, ready in 1 minute. And you can actually see as well at the back how to make them, how to prepare them. It says in here, empty the content of the sachet in a bowl, boiling water, and then stir, and then serve with bread. With bread, maybe just like a pudding or something. Or use as a filling and frosting for cakes and jam. So they're good. So maybe I can try this in the pandan cake. You know, I'll try them next time, and I'll make a separate video, and I'll let you know how I get on with this. Yeah, it's interesting, isn't it? Pandan. Yeah, because we don't have the pandan. Sorry, I've been looking in like the Filipino shop or the Oriental shop. They've got those pandan. Pandan is a leaf, isn't it? I think it is it's like a green leaf, isn't it? I'm not sure if they got them fresh from the Chinese supermarket. I don't know, but anyway, there you go. This one is only £1.20. So they're good. I don't know, but yeah, we'll try. And like I said, I'll make a separate video and I'll let you know how I get on with this. And of course, my favorite, crab and corn. This is crab and corn. This is a product of China. This is a good soup. All I do is I break an egg on it and boil it into the water, into the hob, and then voila, you've got soup. And they're crab and corn. And they're easy to use though. They're easy to make. So I always buy this one. And this is only £1. So they're good. And as well, I bought obviously Filipino snack. Ding dong. This one is nice. This is a mixed nuts. You can get them for 69 pence in other shops. And if you see my video in Asda, they sell this one in Asda for 79 pence. Only 79p. So yeah, if you're a lover of Filipino snack, you can get them in Asda if you're not near any Oriental shop. But if you do, there's many in the Oriental supermarket or China shop or Chinese shop or Filipino shop. And sometimes you can get them for 50 pence. It really depends where you're going. And I love them. I recommend this one. And of course, our favorite as well, boy bawang, this one. This one, they have different flavors, this one. You can get them in adobo. You can get them in chili cheese. You can get them in, I think it's a chicken or the vinegar flavor. And of course, you've got the garlic and the barbecue. And this one is only 50 pence in the Oriental shop. You can get them as well in other Filipino shop. It depends where you're going. And they're all different prices. But this one is one of my favorite. But I was looking today. They don't have anywhere the chili flavor. So I get this one for a change. Just to try. Yeah. And they're made of corn. People are wondering what they're like. This is made of corn snack. And this one, sorry, this ding dong is a mixed nut. You've got here peanuts, you've got cornic, you've got green peas, and you've got other nuts in there. That's why it's called the mixed nuts. And they're really good as well. And for the price, you'll have a snack. There you go. And I have here, obviously, this one, the crispy fry. I've tried them before, but that one is not the normal one. Is it the normal? No, I mean like the original. That's a way to say it. Because this one is a spicy one. This one. I tried them before. Just marinate them in your chicken. And they're really good. And you can fry them. And yeah, so everything that you want to know about this is here. See, 3 easy steps. You can see that there. There you go. So yeah, and this is goes for 1 kilograms of meat. There you go. There you are. And this is only £1. Good for, like, when you get this one, I noticed when we tried it, and it tastes like Jollibee. This one. So yeah, I recommend this one. Crispy fry. And of course the Mamacitas. I get this one. It is my favorite food, tocino, and they're really good. And this one is only £1. Tocino. And everything that you need how to prepare your tocino is here at the back. There you go. And this is a product from the Philippines. And this one as well, Mamacita, another one. I told you Mamacita is my favorite. This one is barbecue marinade mix. There you go. And this is only £1 as well. And everything you need is at the back. It will show you how you prepare your food, how you prepare the meal, or how to marinate it. It's all in there. And for £1, that's really good. And another one is the adobo mix. This one is a savory sauce mix. This is as well from the Philippines, Mamacita. I think Mamacitas has been for years, isn't it? Because I remember my mom and my granny, they used to use this product as well when I was little. I remember Mamacita. So it's a good brand. That's why I think they've been here for years. And I'm sure they'll be here for more years to come. And they're very good. All you need to do is here as well at the back. How you prepare your adobo. Or you can make as well an adobo rice. Interesting. There you go. It's all in there. There. So busy people like myself. Busy people like myself. You can just buy this one, marinate it, leave it overnight, and then cook it the next day. So that's really good for £1. And another one is this one, the bihon. This is a rice vermicelli. This one is a product of Thailand. And this one is, how many kilos is that? This one is actually 50 grams of 10 pieces. So they're really good for £2. They're really cheap. And you can make a lot of pancit in that one there. Look, that one there. But we call it here rice vermicelli or bihon. Yeah. So it's interesting. So for £2, you can make a lot of pancit or chow mein noodles with this one. You see? Yeah. So that's all we have for today. That's all the product that I bought from the Oriental shop. Next time I go to the Oriental shop, I'll take you with me. So you'll see what we can buy in the Oriental shop that I go to. It's only because today is very busy, so I didn't have the time to make a video. But yeah, I'll take you next time. So always watch my video. So keep an eye on that. And if there's any other food in your country or Asian food or anything around the world, any food around the world, let me know. And write it in the comment down below and I'll try to find them for you. And so you can bring home away from home. Okay, so I hope you have a good day. And thank you for watching. I'll see you again for my next one. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you again for my next one. Thank you. Bye.